So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on power options on the top, and then you're going to click on choose what the power buttons do. And now once you're on this, where it says when I press the power button, you want to set it to shutdown. Make sure that it's on shutdown, and if you get this one, you can just leave it blank, or you can just click on do nothing. It's up to you, but you can just leave it blank if you want. But make sure that this one, when I press the power button, has been set to shutdown, and then click on save changes. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in msdt.exe space /id space power diagnostic, and click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to click on next, and then you want to run this. If any problems come up, it will fix it for you. If your problem is not fixed, you can click on yes, and you can go through all these steps. But we're just going to move on to the next step in the video. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc space /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Now once the scan's been completed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.